Hello, hi guys. Good morning, everyone. Hello, all. Am I audible? Is my voice audible to all? Can I get the responses, please? Hi, Naya. Good morning. Hi, Shalini. Okay. All right, guys. So we'll see today the different types of transformations, and that is joint transformation. We'll see joint transformation. Okay. So what is this joint transformation? Okay. Here in joint transformation, whatever the joint we are giving, okay, we can give any type of joint. We can give left joint, full joint, right joint, cross joint, whatever it is. Okay, so left joint, what left joint will do? Left joint will show you all the records of left hand side table and matching records of both the tables. So here, instead of tables, we are having files. So what it will do? It will, if you are giving left joint, then it will show you left hand side file and matching records in both the files. If you give inner join, okay, inner join, what will happen? Inner join, it will consider only the matching records. If it is there, then it will show you only that records. It will load only that records in your destination. Okay, so here in joint transformation, you will get an option what type of join you want to give in your ADF, what type of join you will give. You want to give that join, you can select here. Just you have to click on it, and then you will get an option accordingly. Okay, fine. So what it is saying, it is saying create a blob storage account and upload these two files, then a destination storage account. Then okay, we are creating two data sets here for 2017 file and for 2018 file. We are getting two data sets, and destination also link services and data sets. So this is the common steps that we are going to do. Okay, I'll just jump to the portal. I'll give a chance here for this subscription. Okay, go to the storage account. Okay, I'll say here 1911 source essay. Okay, I'm creating the storage account. Okay, I'll create one destination storage account also. Okay, I'll go ahead and I'll provision this source and destination storage accounts. Create a source container and upload these two files. Okay. Okay. this step is done and this step is in progress. We'll just create a container inside this one. Okay, I'll go for the data factory. Leaving all the values to default. Okay, so the initial 3 4 steps are common, guys, in every lab. If you notice here, okay, I'll go to data factory. Okay, it will come. Just hold on. Okay, I'll launch the studios here. Okay, I'll give this ls blob essay. This will be Gen2 destination. I'll give here ls adl essay. Then I'll go for the data sets. We are creating two data sets, one for 2017 file and the other one is for 2018 file. Okay, so this is 2017. Go here and carefully select 2017 file. Okay, same will go for 2018 file also. We'll create one dataset even for destination as well. Load it. Okay, okay. We have not created a link services for the destination, but we have created, I believe, right? No, we have not created. We have given the name as this one only, Azure Relic Storage. 1 minute. I'm not sure whether I have selected Blob or Gentoo storage account for this one. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll just create a fresh link services. 1 minute. Okay. This link services I have created, but it will not come. I'll just discard the changes. Go back. Okay. Let me check whether it is coming or not. It's not coming. I'll do the publish as of now. Just hold on. Okay. All is done. Publishing is completed. Why the datasets are not visible? I'm just taking a refresh 1 minute, guys. It came now. Okay, datasets came. Link services is also there. Fine. I'll create one last dataset for my destination. Okay. Why this is not visible? LSAD, LSA. I'm creating a new link services again. I don't know. Already this is there here. LSAD, LSA, this is not visible. So I'll just give a new name. Okay. So create this disabled. I don't understand. I'm having one evening batch also, Azure Data Engineering. In that batch, I'm using this subscription only. This subscription is going amazing in that batch. No problems at all in the evening. No, but I'm creating a new destination, na? New link services I'm creating. Why the create is not enabled? See here, 1911 destination essay, the storage account. I'm selecting this one only, na? Correct or not? So this is absolute technical problem. Sometimes portal behaves like this. If it won't come, guys, we'll change the subscription. This is the only option we are having. We'll change the subscription because in the evening batch, this subscription is working absolutely fine. But I don't know what is the problem happening at this time for this subscription in the morning 7:30 a.m. batch. See, create is not getting enabled here for us. What is this problem here? This is very boring here. Again, I have to create storage accounts, everything if I change the subscription. Okay. Hmm. It is data like Gentoo only. It is data lake Gentoo storage account only. Nayak, see here, data lake storage you are getting here. Hierarchical namespace is enabled. I'm leaving this subscription, guys. There is some problem in this subscription. Just leave this subscription. For your batch, this subscription is not suitable. First, let me create a data factory here. This is another subscription. Oh, very nice. This subscription is disabled. If you go to the subscription, see here, it is showing the status is disabled for the subscription. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll take one more subscription here. Okay. This is one more another subscription. Okay. I'll create a data factory first. Data factories. I'll say here 1912 Naresh ADF. Okay. Data factory got created. I'll create now the storage accounts. Okay. I'll quickly create the storage accounts here. Okay. So mostly what happens here, In free trial subscriptions, then this unexpected things happens. Okay, maybe sometimes, not frequently. See, the create button was not getting enabled for us. Everything is correct only, but we are not sure. This is pure technical problem from Microsoft side. But this kind of like issues or this kind of abnormalities we won't see in the paid subscription, in the paid licenses. Okay, mostly we won't, maybe once in a while, not sure, but it won't be actually. Okay. Okay, I'm making it as data lake gen 2. I'll go ahead and I'll create a storage account. Okay, now I'll go inside the data factory, launch the studios, PDF studios. See, the create should be enabled like this. God knows what will happen here. Okay. Okay. Tooling services has been created. I'll go for the data sets. Okay. 2018 file I'm taking here. Now we'll create one data set for destination. Now it is coming. Okay, perfect. I'll take this folder. Okay, done. I'll say publish all and publish. See, now all the data sets are getting reflected properly as expected. Okay, this is good. The publishing is on. Publishing is completed. Then I'll create a data flow. I'll give this name. Okay, df underscore. Any name you can give here. Enable data flow debug, and we'll consider the source transformation. And in source session tab, we'll give this 2017 data set. Okay, so I'll come here to author. I'll say here new data flow. I'll give it an add a source. I'm giving here what 2017. 2017. I'll enable this data flow debug. Okay, this is the first first table or first file, whatever it is. Next, click on add source again. Click on source transformation, and this will be our source 2. This is source 1, and this will be our source 2. Okay, and here I'll give which one 2018 file. Here I have given 2017. Here I am giving 2018. Okay, you can say here 2018 and 2017. Okay, something like this I'm giving. Then next, click on plus of source 1 in search, type join. Okay, click here and say join transformation. Okay, then click on join transformation in join settings tab, right stream source 2. So left stream is 2017, right stream would be 2018. Okay, source 1, source 2, we have changed the name now, 17 and 18. That's why we'll select here 2008. I think this I have given wrong, 2018. Word name contains invalid characters. Okay, better I'll change it to source 2 only. Source 2, this will be source 1. It is not taking the numbers. For ease of understanding, I was saying here source 2017 and 2018. But this is 2017 file. Okay, data set. This is 2018 file. Okay, and here I'll say here source 1 and right stream as source 2. Okay, for join type, I'm considering what as inner join. Choose which type of join we want to consider, like inner join, left join, full join, etc. So if you come here, see, you're finding multiple joins here. Okay, so the transformation is one only in our data factory. The transformation join is one only. You are not going to get separate transformation for inner join, separate transformation for left join and all. It's not like that. If you want to give a left join, then select left join. That's it. If you want to take consider it as inner join, then select your inner join. Right join, right join. Okay, like this you have to go with. And inner join is what? It will give you only the matching records from both the sources. This is one left circle. This is one right circuit, both sources. And inner join will give you only the common columns, common records from both the files. Okay, why it is taking this much long time? Data flow debug should be enabled quickly. If it is not enabled, then we cannot proceed further. Compulsorily, this has to be enabled. It is loading and loading. Okay, so what I'm doing here, any type of join we can choose. Join condition. Okay, you are making a join condition on what? Based on student ID. Okay, for both left source 1 column and write source to column. Enable data flow debug option enable. Okay, I'll say here join condition student ID. I'll come here. Okay, join conditions. I'll take it as student ID. Making it as student ID. Done. I'm making a join on top of any one column, that is student ID, and this column should be common. This column should be there in both the files, whichever the files you are considering in your source, that is data sets. Okay. Enable data flow debug option. But what is this new trouble? Why it is not getting enabled? Okay. Then click on plus of join transformation and in search type sync here. Okay. So it came. Okay, this is compulsory, guys. Whenever you are working on data flows, compulsory this data flow debug should be enabled properly. Okay, many of the times, suppose out of 10 times, 3 to 4 times it will get fail also. Okay, so you have to refresh, you have to close all the things. Okay, then you have to come to home page, you have to refresh the page at browser level, then again you have to enable. These things will happen. Fine, so click on this plus and then say here what sync transformation. So what type of join I'm giving, guys? I'm giving inner join, matching records of both the files. Okay, I'll say here data set as my destination, this one DSADLSA, and I'll say here settings output to single file, and I'll give join. Okay, inner join dot CSV. Okay, single partition. Fine, that is what the setting it is. Okay, as I said, we have given all these configurations we have done. Now we'll do the publish all and publish. Okay, okay, publishing is completed here. Then what we'll do, we'll create a new pipeline and we'll call this data flow, because data flow cannot run by itself. Okay, I'll give it as pipeline 1 data flow. Okay, data flow 1, this one. Okay, what I'll do, I'll come to my destination storage accounts. Okay, see here, it is nothing as of now. If there is any matching records between the two files on top of student ID column with student ID column, then we'll get some file along with some data here. Okay, so let the publishing gets completed here. Hold on, I'll say here debug. Okay, internet speed is very good. Okay, 40 Mbps is more than enough actually. It is showing 90 Mbps. Just checking your internet speed. Okay, my expected time is maybe 3 to 4 minutes or maximum 5 minutes. Let us see. Okay, good. It completed in 1 minute 23 seconds. Good. That is good. Come here, take a refresh and see whether we are having a file. Okay, a file got created, and we come here. Only two matching records are there. Student ID. Only two matching records are there. Okay, that is Rajesh and Vivek who are having same student ID as one. That's why the record two records has been inserted. The same way, what you can do now, come to your data flow, join, and this time say here left outer join. Saying what? Left outer join. Okay, and then in sync, say here left join.csv. That's it. Left join.csv. Okay, publish all and publish. So what I have done, I have changed the join condition from inner join to left outer join. Okay, any join you can select here. Okay, pipeline. We'll say the debug now. Okay, done. See, a new file got created. Left join. Okay, see here we are getting all the left hand side records and only one matching record is there from the right hand side that we are getting. So three records are there from left hand side file, from left file, that is 2017. 2017 is the left file. If you see here, this is 2017, this is 2018, left, right. So if you see here in left file 2017, okay, what are the records we are having? Come to our source system. Come here. I think three records are there. 2017. Okay. So Rajesh was 1231. Okay, it has given all the left hand side records. And if we go here to right hand side records, okay. So this one 1987. So this record should come technically, right? Left outer join, and here we should get five records now. Fine. So when we are giving the left join here, see, the thing that we can do here is, okay, we can just select the join here what we want. Okay, and then accordingly as per your data, the file will get loaded into your destination. Okay guys, is that clear? So if you want, you can consider these files what I have been attached in the material. No, you don't want these files to consider, then you can have your own data. Okay, just generate some data in CSV file with some more records, 8 to 10 records, and then do this lab and just perform multiple joins, inner join, left join, full join, whatever it is, and you will get all the things here. Fine. This is what we are having for joins, guys, for joins transformation. Okay. So, okay. No idea, Gopi. I think just consider some different file. Consider some different file with some different data. We'll come to know exactly. Okay. I'll just take this diagram. I'll capture this diagram 1 minute. Have you guys understood the concept or not? It's very simple. Just generate a new data from your end and do this lab. Is it okay or not? Can I get the responses, guys? The approach is same as it is. Just consider some other data from your end. Okay. Something like you can create on your own employee ID. Okay. Salary, department, skill set, and location. Just take these 5 columns and insert some data. Okay. This is our destination storage account. So from here, we are fetching the data. Okay. Doing all the validations and using multiple transformations and finally loading into the destination storage account. Okay. Fine. 1 minute. Hold on. 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. Mm.
Good morning.
Yeah. Hi, Lata. Good morning.
Sir, I have few questions other than this joins. So, um, join you just mentioned, but when it was inner join, it's supposed to show the combined data between two files, sir. But it is
Yeah,
not showing common data, right? When we
right.
choose inner join.
Correct. That is what I am telling. Consider different files. Don't consider my files.
Okay, you are saying you don't have a common data.
No, common data is there, but it is not working with this data. That's why I'm saying consider
Okay,
some different data.
okay. Okay, yeah, I understood
Yeah.
that. Now I understood. So my another question is, when we want to move data from cloud to cloud, like Salesforce to here in SSIS, what we do is we use a API connection, and then we extract data from Salesforce to SSIS packages.
Mm-hmm.
But here, how do we do? Like if it is a common thing that we have to extract data from cloud source accounts. Maybe it is SSIS, maybe something else. So how do we do it? Do you have a demo related to that?
I think in our syllabus we are having cloud to cloud for Azure only.
Yeah,
On
but that yeah, cloud to cloud Azure is uh, uh, that is not our option, sir. Here it is a common that we have to use a API connection. So if you have that also, that would be great, because otherwise we have to go in YouTube and find and search for
yes.
those demos.
Mm-hmm. No, in our syllabus it is not there. What is there in our syllabus? I tell you, on-prem to cloud is there, and
Yeah,
cloud to cloud, Azure cloud to cloud is there. Okay.
yeah, I saw I
Salesforce
saw the
to Azure
yeah.
cloud is not there in our syllabus actually. If you want it, I'll just I can give you some documentation or YouTube videos as you are suggesting. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
So migrations is there, database migrations is there, and what else is there? I don't remember the syllabus whole.
I just checked the syllabus, sir. It was not there.
It is not there, no?
Yeah, it was not there. Other clouds to Azure cloud.
Mm.
So we need to know that is an important, because whenever I see the job descriptions, the API creation is part of the job description, like job requirement. So and another thing is, we wanted to know how do we do the unit test. In this case, for example, we have a inner join or whatever the join. We
Mm-hmm.
need, the files, the data is big in real time. It is not small, right? We need to know the total count or whatever it is. We need to check something. So how do we do the unit test? That is my another criteria, sir.
Unit testing regarding.
In unit testing regarding pipelines and data flows, transformations, everything, whatever we develop.
So basically about the data, you want the unit testing, right?
Yeah, whatever we develop, we need to test it, right? We need to check whether it is accurate or not, the data, whatever we are moving.
Yeah. For unit testing, I'll show you one demo. No worries.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
And I have one more
Okay.
question. We are developing data flows. So in this, other than this, making here in the data flow, can we create a join by just using SQL query in notebook and then use that as a transformation in pipeline? Is that possible?
That we can do in Databricks.
Okay.
SQL queries and all we can write in Databricks. I'm coming to SQL this Databricks after this data factory. Maybe some more demos are left over with data factory here. Okay, so next we are having derived column transformation. What is derived column transformation? And then implementation of steps for data flows to connect SQL DB with source and sink transformation. This one demo we are having. Okay, union union level transformations we are having rank dense rank row number transformations, And after that, from here we are starting the data bricks. Why we are using data bricks, why we have stopped using big data and Hadoop. Okay, all these things. So from here we are starting Databricks. So I think after 2 classes we are starting Databricks, and in Databricks notebooks you can write the SQL queries and all accordingly.
No, my question is, can we use that um, query transformation in the pipeline or not? That is my question.
No,
So
no,
we
no.
write a query in a notebook, but that notebook, can we use it inside the pipeline as a transformation?
In ADF you are not having an option for notebook as such. In Databricks you are having an option in as notebooks, and that notebook you can pick any language, Python, SQL, or R programming kind of. There you can write it.
Okay.
Okay. Fine. So what I'm saying now, okay, consider some three different column, some 5 columns. Okay, take it as employee ID, okay, EMP ID, then skill set, he's working on which technology, then his designation, then his location, then his salary. Some 5 columns, insert some records, like 10 records. Insert some 10 records, create 2 files. Okay, instead of taking my files, create 2 files. Okay, anything like Accenture and Infosys, and make some 2 3 records as common. Okay, and then do this lab as an assignment and see. Carbon copy, only I'm asking you to change the data. That's it, guys. Rest of the things is carbon copy. Okay, fine. So that's it for today, guys. For derived column transformation, we'll see in tomorrow's class. Okay, so tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I think next week we can start the data bricks. Okay, I'll start the data bricks next week. Next week. Okay. All right. Any questions, anyone? Apart from Lata? All good? Okay. Harsha, no, common column. It's a common column we are considering. Harsha, Ranuva. It's a it's a common column we are considering. And if that column is having same data, then only it has to consider in the join. Okay, in the inner join or left join, whatever it is. Okay, it's not a primary key, it's basically a common column, I can say. We are giving the name as student ID. So normally in relational databases, these columns won't be having duplicate data. That's why with that understanding you are saying it, I understood. But in our scenario, we must have some common records in both the files, okay, in order to consider the data. That's why we have given that name. If you want, you can make common column as student name, because see, Rajesh, okay, Rajesh is one student name and many students can have the same name. That also you can consider. It depends upon. Is it clear, Harsha? Okay. Okay, all right. Thank you, Harsha. Fine, guys. I'll close the class for today. We'll see derived column transformation tomorrow. Okay. Bye, guys. Bye, everyone.